Hey everyone, Lee here, Okanagan Sawmill. Got another little log on the mill again today. So this is what it is. So I cut one that was similar to this the other week, and I thought it was possibly ash, but I couldn't figure it out. But the consensus was that it was a locust of some kind. So I'm assuming that this is also some kind of locust. So it's only just a stubby one, but we'll take some measurements. So we got 43 inches, and then at this end we've got like 22 inches, something like that. So yeah, we'll just get a few slabs out of this, but I've got it, and it's may as well cut it up instead of doing firewood. So yeah, let's get you set up and we'll just get milling. So be a quick one. Yeah, that's the first cut. So this one really looks yellow, so I'm assuming that this is a locust. It's even more yellow than the last one I cut, but it's got really nice grain as well. Hopefully that's coming out well on the screen. So yeah, I'll get this rolled over and keep cutting. Okay, so that didn't take very long at all, obviously. It's only a short log, so it's no surprise, but this is what we got. So they're all 2.5 inches thick. So let's see if we can get, the light's not very good today, sorry, but yeah, that's what they look like. This is more yellow than the other one, so it's a bit more convincing that this is locust. The other one was really strange. It was yellow, but it was sort of like this one actually, whereas this middle looks very much like ash, but then it's got these two like yellow strips on the outside which are very yellow, but overall this is a deeper yellow. Certainly here, certainly this one, I don't know where it's coming up on camera, but yeah, it's very yellow. So the grain is really nice. So yeah, we got 6 slabs and then just 2 offcuts, so they'll end up being firewood like all my offcuts are. But yeah, I'm not sure how long it actually took. Not very long at all, probably like 10 minutes or something, I'm guessing, in real time. So yeah, it really doesn't take very long. The saw's been awesome, except for when I blew out the pillar block bearings, but I think that was a manufacturer issue on my part, being though I manufactured it. But yeah, the saw works really well. I'm really pleased with it. Gotta tidy it up a little bit, but I'm gonna end up pouring a concrete base this summer. That is the plan. So that'll be a big project coming up, and then we're gonna spruce up the kiln, make that look nicer, because it's a bit of an eyesore the way it is, to be honest. But I had to really cabbage it together and get it done like in October before the weather turned bad. So it works awesome, it just looks ugly. So I want to improve that, and then also gonna paint that the same color as we paint the kiln, and we're going to lower the kiln down to sawmill level as well, I think. So there's quite a bit happening in the future. So we got lots of projects to do, lots of things to get done. We got lots of logs. I got a whole bunch more logs, so the logs just keep piling up, and I just never seem to be able to catch up, which I guess is a good thing. I'd rather have too many logs than not enough. So We got lots of logs all over the place now. Started a new pile there. I got some, I believe they're acacia logs. I did cut a small log, but I never filmed it, sadly. So I got a decent acacia log there. They'll probably end up being like conference tables or something like that. It's long enough and big enough to get probably 4 decent slabs out, and then a bunch of other not conference size table slabs. We'll see. But there's a whole bunch of stuff going on, all this twist and everything. Well, in here you see all these, everything, yeah, all the feature. We got a couple of limbs, one there, one on the other side. This end is like splits as well. So yeah, and we got 1, 2, 3, 4 acacia logs, and I just got a bit of silver birch, which will be nice. Yeah, so lots going to be happening. I'm going to try and get more videos out. Hopefully the weather will be better, so I can do a bit more consistent sawmilling. But yeah, I think that's enough of me waffling on. But again, thanks for watching. Thanks if you've subscribed. I really appreciate it. And I'll see you on the next one. Thanks. Bye. Get out of the way, but yeah, it's the water pop looking very good. Looks real nice, actually. Yeah.